Imagine running an entire business with a team that never sleeps, never gets tired, and works at the speed of AI. This is not one tool. This is your AI team. For deep research and real-time insights, Perplexity goes beyond basic search and delivers verified answers that matter. When it's time to turn ideas into stunning slides, Gamma creates professional AI presentations in minutes. No design skills required. Need scroll-stopping visuals? Nano Banana generates high-quality AI images that bring your ideas to life. At the center of everything is ChatGPT, your creative brain for scripts, strategies, planning, and execution. To save hours of manual work, Nathan automates workflows and connects all your tools into one powerful system. For cinematic AI videos, Kling transforms text into dynamic visuals built for reels, ads, and storytelling. Developers and builders rely on Claude Code to write, understand, and optimize clean, efficient code. Want modern websites without complex development? Lovable helps you build AI-powered websites faster than ever. And for natural, human-like conversations, Retell AI creates intelligent voice agents for calls and customer support. This isn't the future. This is happening right now. One team, one workflow, infinite potential. This is your AI team.